Yeah, in this video, I want to share with you the major difference between your posts and your pages. Just like we've covered posts. We came to a post and we added our content, and we also came to a page and we added our content. What is the major difference between your post and your page? When should you use post and when should you use page? Mind you, two of them they look alike. They do similar thing, which is you use post or page to put your content on your website. To put the content, two of them do the same thing, but not all content can go on page, and not all content will go on post. So when do you use post? Let me start with post. You use post to put a regular content that can frequently change. Let me give a big example. Let's say you are building a site for a company and they have regular news. They want to put in news. So post is the best bet for it. Let's say you are building a site for a newspaper company, and which means they put regular news, they put regular content. Your best part to use is post. Any content that you put on your site regularly, the best option is to use post, because post can help you to put your content in category. Post has a feature called category, just like you have here. Post has a feature called category, and also have another feature one called tag. This category, you can, let's say you want to put an information about football, or let's say sports. Under sports, you can put information about football, about basketball. Those are the categories. So posts have those features because these are content that you can be updating frequently. So posts will achieve that for you. And this tag also is necessary when you want to make sure that people go to your site, they can search a particular keyword and the particular post will come outside, a particular article will come outside. So tag is useful for internal search, and also is also useful for search engine optimization. Tag is just like a keyword, different keyword. So when you actually putting your article, there's a space for tag where you can just put a major keyword. Let's say you're writing article about football. Then on your tag you can put there, the category can be football. Then your tag, you can put there football, you can put there sports. So when people go on Google to search about a particular thing, about related to that article, Google can bring your article up because of the tag, which is the keyword, and the category which you put it, and the content of the article. It will help search engine to be friendly with your site. These are some things you need to consider. So post, in nutshell, is used for a regular post that you post regularly, and let's say for news, for updates, you use post to achieve that. Then for page is used to for a static content more. Let's say your about us page, you don't change that frequently. When you put it, you might end up just leaving it for months or years without changing it. Your about us page is constant. Your contact us page is constant. Work with me page is constant. There's some pages that are constant. So you use page for those constant articles that you will not change frequently. And page does not have category because you're just posting that information. That information can be there for months, for years without changing. But if it's post is regular information which you keep on changing and changing. So it's important that you understand when to use your post and when to use your page. If you observe the example, when I came to page, I use about us page as an example. So as we proceed, you understand, you understand better, because as we move to the next one, which is changing the theme, adding some features, you discover that some features will work better with post, while some work based on page, depending on the features you want to add. But as we proceed, you will understand better. But just like I said, the major difference between your post and your page is simple. Post is for regular content. That's why we have category. You can put it in different category. Let's say you are doing a newspaper website. All the posts, all the article will be in different categories. So post will achieve that. Then for contact us page, about us page, some major page which the content is not frequent. It's just one content that can stay for years or for months without changing it. So page will be the best option for it. And also page also make it easier for you to put the content on a menu. We have not got to the menu yet. We're going to get to menu. So that is just how that is so far. That's all I can explain about the two of them, so that you can have idea the difference between your post and your page.